Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, in this question, for each compound we need to draw its Lewis structure and we need to provide information about its geometry, lone pairs, and molecular polarity. Here the central atom has zero lone pair, that is carbon, and the molecular type is tetrahedral, so its electronic and molecular geometry is tetrahedral. Next, molecular polarity, the compound is nonpolar because fluorine atoms have same electronegativity. Now, next is Pi5. Its structure is, here the lone pairs are 0 and electron domain are 5. Its electron and molecular geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and its molecular polarity is nonpolar. Next we have is SCl6. It is having octahedral structure. Here molecular and electron geometry is octahedral. Electron domain is equal to 6. There is 0 lone pair on central atom, and molecular polarity is, it is nonpolar. Next we have CuCl2. This is the structure drawn. Here oxygen is more electronegativity, so the compound is polar, and lone pairs are 0, electron domain are 3, and electron and molecular geometry is trigonal planar. Then we have carbon dioxide. Here the structure is linear. Electron geometry and molecular geometry is linear. Electron domain is equal to 2. There is 0 lone pair on carbon, and molecular polarity is nonpolar. Then we have ClF4. The compound is polar because fluorine is more electronegativity, it will pulls electron towards itself. Electron geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and molecular geometry is octahedral, and the electron domain is 5. Then we have OCN. Here there is 1 lone pair on nitrogen, and electron domain is 3. Molecular geometry is linear, whereas electron geometry is trigonal planar, and the compound is polar. Then we have water. The structure of the water is bent. It is having molecular geometry is bent, and electron geometry is tetrahedral. There are 2 lone pairs over over oxygen and electron domain is 4, and the molecule is polar in nature. The last one we have is xenon tetrachloride. It is having non-polar structure and electron domain is 4. Here electron geometry is octahedral and molecular geometry is square planar. I hope you have got your answer. Thank you.